Volgo Diesel, named after MAMINS, is one of the oldest diesel enterprises in Russia, founded in 1899. Nowadays, we produce and deliver diesel and gas piston power stations on the basis of engines of our own and foreign manufacturers. Our gensets are characterized by high reliability, efficiency, low level of noise, vibration and toxicity of the relays, available components and inexpensive consumable materials. Power stations do not require special maintenance, easy to install and operate. The specialists of our company can quickly resolve the issue of the set delivery to a facility and carry out the entire complex of works necessary for the first start of the power station. The main consumers for temporary power supply services are drilling companies, oil companies, rural settlements of the far north, enterprises teams for the overhaul of wells, shopping malls, gas stations, enterprises for the extraction of mineral resources. Small-scale power generation is in demand among drilling and oil companies operating in taiga in places where there are no centralized electrical networks. There is 70% of territory like this, mainly in Siberia and the far north in the Russian Federation. To pull through many miles of impassable areas, the line of traditional power supply is not only time-consuming, but also is very expensive. Small-scale power generation solves this problem. We offer a full package of services: design, production, delivery, installation, and the mobilization of our private service of the independent power complexes. These power centers can significantly increase the reliability of power supply to the manufacturers and to eliminate the need to purchase power from the network companies or to construct power lines for newly built facilities. Gas piston power stations can be equipped with a cogeneration system and obtain thermal energy through a heat exchange system. In this case, the amount of thermal energy is almost equal to the amount of electric energy, which allows to obtain an even greater economic effect. Efficiency tends to 95%. The received thermal energy can be used for heating the buildings, obtaining hot water supply, and also use of the received heat in system of regeneration that is receiving cold. In the case of the energy complex acquisition, the greatest economic effect can be obtained at the facilities which have 24-hour operation and which use the gas piston power stations with a load in the range from 80 to 90% of the installed capacity. At the same time, due to the low cost of electricity, the payback period of the project can be about 3 years. Until recently, the beneficial use of associated petroleum gas was not among the priorities of oil and gas companies. The associated petroleum gas was separated from oil and burnt in flare units directly on the production field. For many years, the flame of these torches illuminated the night sky over the mining regions and was one of the symbols of oil industry in Russia. We offer a full range of services from design, construction, and ending with the maintenance of the energy center by our professionals. Specialists of our enterprise successfully operate and service power systems of drilling rigs, cluster beds, and mining fields in general. Hundreds of our power stations are successfully operated in different climatic conditions, providing facilities of various industrial sectors with their own electricity. Our products are well known for reliability, maintainability, attractive price, and simplicity to the fuel. Customer service of Volgo Diesel, named after MAMINS, works 24/7, so that your company will not stop for a minute.